What's going on, guys? So I was just washing my tater here for the outdoor cooking segment that we're going to be doing later today, or y'all will be doing later today at least. So here's what we're going to need. Of course, the washed potato. I said taters, but that's because that's the way I am. Onion powder, regular salt, regular old black pepper, and garlic powder. That's what you're going to need. Ground beef. I already have it ready here outside of the whatever package that you're going to get it from. I just have it ready right here. Aluminum foil. What you're going to do, I want you to pull about 1.5 feet. Tear it. Do it again. 1.5 feet. Tear it. Set aside. Cool. So, I'm going to get my ground beef. We're just going to set it a little bit to the right of center. Here's center, set it a little bit to the right. Okay. Potato. Now, for this part, guys, knives, at least have a parent help you. If not, have the parent do it for you. Now, I'm going to let my man Matt come over my shoulder so you can look down on what I'm doing here. So, here we go. Just cutting it straight down. Okay, I'm going to do that again. Okay, I'm going to move my ground beef to the center. Put some potatoes around it. Set that aside. Set the knife aside. Okay, just take the first sheet. Hot dog style. Hot dog style again. Okay. And fold the two ends up. Fold the end up. Okay, I want you to flip it. Then hot dog style, and put the ends up. See when we cook it. Hey guys, so we're out here at the fort area. I've got some charcoal already going. I put some lighter fluid on it. I lit it. I'm an adult, so I can do that. You absolutely need to have an adult help you. I let the flames die down, so it's just burning on the coals themselves, the briquettes themselves. You can see the white. You can't really start manipulating it until it has some white places in the briquettes, y'all. Beware of smoke. Fire's hot. Do all the safety things that your parents tell you to do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place this kind of on the outside edge of it. Just plop it down. Then I'm gonna use tongs and I'm gonna put some coals on top of it and around it. you guys. So it's been some time now. I'm fixing to take it back out and give it a look. If it's good to go, I'm gonna start munching. If it's not, I'll put it back. This is a trial and error thing. I can't guess how hot or how cold your fire, your coals are gonna be. So you might have to put it in back out, put it in, and take it back out a couple of times before it's cooked all the way. Don't know. Because remember, you can always cook it longer, but if it burns, it's burned. So, trial and error. Just light touches, don't really grab onto anything, just light touches. Oh, look at those taters. Got a little bit of blackening, but they're not burnt, just a little bit of blackening on the outside. Crispy, okay? I'm gonna cut into my beef again, just like I did the first time. Parent has the knife, not you. I'd say that's cooked through. I'm not seeing too much pink at all. I'd say that's cooked. All right, awesome. I'm gonna get to munching. Hope you had a good time.